Hi.
I,
Why did you skip me on the last time?
I
Do
don't
you...
know.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. Do you speak English?
A little bit.
Little bit. I'm not really so much efficient in English. I'm learning English, that's all.
I understand English. My English for speaking is so bad. I only understand you.
Ah, no, look, one thing I can say, I was same like you. My English was so bad. Okay, every expert wants a beginner. You have mother tongue, you speak in what language do you speak?
Ah, Gaza.
Kazakh. Okay. Look, you didn't born in English environment. You have your mother tongue, you have your own language, but English, which is international language, we have to learn. Okay. It's very simple to make mistakes. So no worry about your mistakes. Just move forward. Hopefully you will be successful.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So hard
It's look,
for me.
if you not gonna really start practicing, you may think it's very hard. But literally, this language is such a very funny language, very interesting language. Just go there and keep practicing. Everything will be easy. It's not so much hard.
I don't know. I learned English language um 1 year, 1 years. Uh, I don't know.
It's okay, no problem. Don't be worried to make mistakes. How are you?
I'm good.
It's very pleasant to see you. I think you speak English.
Yeah, a little.
Look, in the class, do you have debate in English?
Yeah, we have, but I don't prefer to like join to there.
You don't join on the debating
Yeah.
program. Why not?
Yes.
Why not?
I I don't think that my English is so good, but you know, in our class we have like a lot of debates, but I prefer to not join there.
Okay. Look, there's a subject which is called English. Like, you know, the English is an international language. Even you are really sitting in front of your camera and speaking through this app across the globe, you will have to know English better. You are doing good, but keep practicing and do attend. I think you should attend on the debating program.
Okay.
Okay, but what's your future plan?
uh, I think I will study abroad, and no, I'm preparing for it.
Okay, look, as you said, you are going to study in abroad, right? If you would like to go to any country, first you will have to give a requirement, which is English. How you're good at English.
Yes.
Okay, so why you don't really participate on the debating program?
I don't know. I don't know really.
It's okay.
But I'm participating for like volunteers like this, and I'm doing my own project, and I just keep um
Practicing.
yes, keep practicing.
Yes. But you know what? There are two different. If you participate on the debating program in front of the people, at the same time, if you practice at home, like standing in front of the camera, both are very crucial. But practice with the friends. You may feel shy. You may feel lost. But remember, every expert wants a beginner. I was like that. I really use what I have in my store. And day by day, I really try to improve my speaking skills. I'm not really teacher. I'm not really a fluent speaker. I'm still trying to learn English like a native English speaker.
Your English is so good, really.
I was so shy, very introverted. I couldn't able to speak with anybody, either not my own language. My first language is Bangla, but now
Hmm.
I can do. So it depends on you, how you practice.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. So keep practicing, keep up your